Did you know that a large percentage of affiliate marketers never make a single sale? It's true. Many struggle to see any real results from their efforts. This can be discouraging, especially if you're putting in the time and effort. But don't worry, there's hope. By understanding why affiliate links fail, you can learn how to fix them and start seeing success. It's important to remember that affiliate marketing is a process. It takes time to build an audience, gain their trust, and start seeing conversions. But by avoiding common mistakes and implementing effective strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for anyone looking to make money online. It's a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. You do this by sharing special links, called affiliate links, on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. It's that simple. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your online presence and earn passive income. Now let's dive into the reasons why your affiliate links might not be performing as well as you'd like. One common mistake is promoting too many products or services. It's important to focus on a few high-quality products that you genuinely believe in. This way, you can create more targeted content and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Another reason could be a lack of transparency. Be upfront and honest with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Disclose that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your links. This builds trust and credibility with your audience, making them more likely to support you. Selecting the right products to promote is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Focus on products that align with your niche, resonate with your audience, and offer genuine value. Research different affiliate programs and compare commission rates, cookie durations, and brand reputation. Remember, promoting products you believe in will make it easier for you to create authentic and engaging content that converts. Section 5. Finding your perfect audience. To effectively promote affiliate products, you need to identify and understand your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Once you have a clear picture of your ideal customer, you can tailor your content and messaging to resonate with them. Utilize social media analytics, keyword research, and online forums to gather insights into your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Section 6. Building trust and credibility. Trust is paramount in affiliate marketing. People are more likely to purchase through your links if they trust your recommendations. Provide honest reviews, share your personal experiences with the products, and highlight both the pros and cons. Focus on building a relationship with your audience by engaging with them, responding to comments, and providing valuable content that goes beyond just promoting products. Section 7. Crafting compelling calls to action. A call to action, or CTA, is a crucial element of any successful affiliate marketing campaign. It's the prompt that encourages your audience to take a specific action, such as clicking on your affiliate link. Use clear, concise, and action-oriented language. Instead of simply saying "click here," create a sense of urgency or highlight the benefits of clicking on your link. Section 8. The secret sauce. Content is king. Creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content is the secret sauce to affiliate marketing success. Your content should provide value to your audience, address their pain points, and offer solutions. Instead of simply pushing products, focus on educating your audience and helping them make informed decisions. Use a variety of content formats, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media updates, to keep your audience engaged. Section 9. Take action and reap the rewards. Fixing your affiliate links and implementing these strategies can significantly improve your results. It's important to track your progress and analyze your results to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and continuously optimize your strategies. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Smash the like button and subscribe. By consistently providing value to your audience, building trust, and optimizing your affiliate links, you can achieve long-term success.